These PLASTICPRO aluminum foil muffin pans offer 6 roomy cavities in each tray, making them ideal for oversized muffins, cupcakes, and mini pies for gatherings or batch baking. The sturdy, heavier gauge aluminum construction holds its shape well in the oven so batter bakes evenly without warping or sagging. Thanks to the smooth, flexible foil, baked goods release easily from the cups, which helps keep muffin tops and crusts intact without excessive greasing or prying. The pans can be reused several times with gentle handling or recycled after use, which is convenient if you are trying to cut down on rigid single-use plastic bakeware. Because they are disposable, there is virtually no scrubbing or soaking required after baking, which is a major time saver when you are preparing food for parties or events. The combination of generous pack size and simple, no-fuss design makes these foil muffin trays a practical staple for home bakers, caterers, and anyone who bakes in large quantities.